But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Okay, we are on a road trip today, and towards we planned for a road trip today.
Yeah.
Towards what bridge? I don't know.
So this is the Natural Bridge in Springbrook National Park.
Yeah. And as you can see, we are inside the forest, ready for walk.
Yeah, guys. This is only, believe it or not, like 40 minutes from our home, but we're in the middle of the rainforest. It's incredible.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And the air's so clear and crisp, isn't it, babe?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
You can hear the waterfall, right?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's so cool here.
Yeah. Like it's summertime.
Yeah, but
so
it's
cool
not
and
that
cold
hot.
in here.
Yeah.
Not in here. How you going? You get it,
Yeah.
mate?
Feels so natural. Oh
Yeah.
my.
Yeah. This is the best way to cool down in summer, babe. We can come up here whenever we want in summer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we are doing this in the morning, and I have got to work to go in the
That's
afternoon.
right. Yeah.
Yeah, I have got to work to go to in the afternoon.
Well, we love to change up our routine every now and again.
Yeah.
Don't we, babe? It's really good for the mind, body, and soul. So,
Yeah.
yeah, great way to start off our Sunday.
Can you guys hear the waterfall?
It's like nature's music. The sound of water dropping from a waterfall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
No, that's just random.
Jeez.
Whoa. That is awesome. It's so much water. I didn't know it was going to be that strong. That's the top of it. So it must go into the cave. And how do we get to the cave? I guess we just got to keep going. careful of the phone, babe. Make sure the phone don't flip
No,
over.
it's not.
Yeah. Wow. That is so strong, that current.
Babe, don't knock
Sorry,
it.
yeah, I
It's
just
tight.
thought it was going to flip. We won't get it back.
I can't see where it's heading to, like, from
Yeah,
here.
it goes into a cave. That's where we're going to go. See how you can tell it goes like underground? So let's go to the cave, Mama. Yeah. No,
Lay down and I play dead and I stay dead. Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nose.
guys, we're here at the waterfall.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the thing you bring. You don't ever wanna get me wrong. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I was rude.
If it's here, or whether, you know how there was a path back there where you could turn off?
Yeah.
I'm wondering whether we do that to get down to the cave. I'm not sure. We could keep going up this way for a little bit and see where it takes us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Babe, you having fun?
I'm loving it, Queen. I'm having so much fun. Thank you. You having fun, Queen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. I just love being out in nature.
Oh my
There it
goodness!
is, we found it.
We found it!
No way. That shot's incredible. Oh my god.
Look, it's in the cave!
Yeah, let's go down. We can go down the cave. We can go down this way. We go down both spots. This is really fun.
Like we are in that cave. The drone. Drone. Over there.
Oh yeah. See that? Oh, there's someone over there.
Our hearts beat to the city streets we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna.
Hi guys,
Hey everybody!
that was a good and great adventure.
Oh, wasn't
I
it
hope
funny?
you guys enjoyed the waterfalls,
Yeah.
the picnic, the scenery.
Just amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You just cooled everything down.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think this is a great place for us to come to, Queen,
Yeah.
on the regular, whenever we want. A little bit of time away from nature.
Yeah.
So close too. Cute little bridge.
Yeah. Me, I'm filming everything.
It's so awesome. It's very photographic, the scenery, isn't it, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it's gonna be so hot because it's hot out there. It's 10 a.m. and the temperature is almost 26, 28 degrees.
Yeah.
But when I came here, I even said, "Oh, I've forgotten my goggles." But when we arrived here, it's so cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Hi.
Yeah, guys. Yes. Go, Queen.
It's so tiresome to climb this stair.
Oh, it's good. Good for you, babe. Good for you. You'll be, yep, getting healthier and fitter with every step. Yep. But you're right, it's a good workout. Good light workout.